1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello there, everyone, and welcome to yet another newsletter from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel, and today I have some really exciting new stuff for you. I also have some things that has been sold out for quite a while, but are finally back in stock. But I think we should just dive into this, and I'm gonna show you one of the things that I've been most excited to present to you this year. This is the new CF Design fly box system. CF Design makes, in my opinion, the greatest and best fly boxes out there, but they have now expanded their system and they're gonna change the profile of their fly box system quite a lot. This here is the new guide box system, where basically you buy a big box like this, and you have all these inserts in the box already. What CF Designs are changing their focus to is going to be to have as much customization as possible and as much option for you as possible to change up things. So CF Design is going to keep their old box system, but they're going to remove quite a lot of the color options. They're going to keep 1 or 2 colors of both the small, medium and large, but the new focus and the new way that they're going to do things is like this. You can buy a box without any inserts, and then you can buy precisely the inserts that you need to fit into your fly box. So you can swap things up and basically change what types of flies and what particular flies you need for your fishing situation. The thing that really gets me really excited is these there are 4 different new of these Pro Guide boxes, which are quite big, and the reason why I like this so much is it gives me the opportunity to actually fill one of these and to have this kind of like a stash, where whenever I want to go fishing, I can basically just pick out one of these inserts. And you know, if I'm going to fish with rags worms like this, then basically I just take the insert and apply it to my box here, and then I'm good to go. And I can easily remove these to dry the flies. Once I'm done, I can put them back in here and so on. But it also gives me an opportunity to actually tie a lot of flies this year, because I really like to have a box like this that is filled to the brim with great flies. I have, as you can see, filled some of my flies in this one already. I'm not nearly done. I have just a bazillion other flies that I need to go into this one as well. But I really like this system because it gives you a very nice and clean and just really awesome way of keeping track of all your flies, of all your patterns and what exactly you need. And it also gives you an excuse to fill one of these. And to honor that, we're gonna make not a competition, but basically we're gonna honor every single one of you out there who actually fills one of these boxes and tags Nordic Anglers and tags CF Design on Instagram with pictures of a box like this filled, and we're gonna ship you a free of charge, free of choice CF Design fly box without the inserts. So if you buy one of these and you fill it with flies, you tag Nordic Anglers on Instagram with pictures of your filled box, then we're gonna ship you one of these boxes for free. So, I mean, that's something to consider at least. I'm just thrilled about the new system, and I think that this is a really nice move from CF Design. It gives me, as a fly fisherman and fly tyer, a lot of customization and a lot of versatility, which is something that I'm a fan of. Of course, all of these are available in all the different sizes, all the small, the medium, and the large. They have new additional colors of the fly box, and you can, as I said, you can buy all the different inserts and stuff. Enough said about the new CF Design system. Something we're really thrilled and stoked about. And off to the next item that is new. For a very long time, it's been impossible to get your hands on anything salmon pink for your coastal sea trout flies. Now we've gotten a very limited supply of both Coq de Lion and American Rooster in salmon pink, the perfect color for all your shrimp flies. I know this is not Spey, but I think this is probably the closest thing you'll ever get to Spey as things stand now. We have both of these in stock just now at Nordic Anglers. Also, for a very, very, very long time, the Sage dart in AFTM 0, in class 0, has been out of stock. We've just gotten a really small, short supply of these. We have just received 2 Sage dart in 0 weight, and it's something that's been out of stock for like half a year or something like that. So if you're in the market for a Sage 0 weight, then now is the time to act, because I don't know when I will ever get any more of these. Regretfully, but I foresee that these will move quite fast. Another thing is finally back in stock as well, is the Sage Trout Spey G5 rod in the 4 weight, the perfect and ideal two-handed rod for big streamer fishing in streams. But here in Denmark and in all of Scandinavia, we use these for coastal sea trouts as well. It's a really, really nice way of fishing sea trouts. I did a complete video tutorial about this. They cast easy, they cast really, really far, and are enormously fun to fight fish on. These are also back in stock again after a long period where they have been sold out. I think I have 4 in stock, so again I foresee that these are going to be sold quite fast. So as with many things, I know that there's a lot of things that has been hard to come by, and some of these Sage models are the same like that. The last thing I want to show you is this. About a year ago, we thought we got the last ever Sarsione salmon reels, but we managed to get our hands on 2. And these will be the last ever. This is of course a salmon reel, a really nice salmon reel. And if you know this, you know this. We have 2 in silver in the size 3.5, and basically this is as good as it gets. So we have 2 of these in the shop, and basically that's it. So I think that about covered it for now. The fishing here in Denmark on the coast is smoking hot right now, and I hope the fishing where you watch this video is smoking hot as well. I can only urge you to do the challenge here, to get one of these big CF design boxes and fill it with flies. Because then you'll have a lot of fun during the winter, but also, I mean, it just looks awesome. It really speaks out to me. I think that's it. Otherwise, of course, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and all that sort of stuff. I wish you all the best of luck out of the water from the bottom of my heart. And I know that every single one here at Nordic Anglers does the same. So have fun, go fish, go buy a box and fill it. Thank you for watching.